Bad side composition. 01. Population problem 02. Food problem 03. Dowry problem 04. Unemployment problem 08. Greenhouse effect 09. Air pollution 10. Price hike. Bangladesh is very small country. There are many problems in our country. Some of them are big and some of them are small. Some of them are preventable and some of them are unpreventable. But problem is problem. It may be different only, such as composition name and so on. Composition name is one of the greatest problem in our country. There are various causes of it. Firstly, most of the people of our country are uneducated. They are not conscious about the problem. Secondly, we are usually backward. Thirdly, our government is also responsible for this vital problem. Fourthly, we are not economically self-sufficient, and our country is developing country, so we have faced this momentous problem. Finally, it is our political unrest which is responsible for this problem. Nowadays, composition name is a burning question in the third world countries like ours. We cannot lead a normal life for this problem. Day by day, it is going out of control. Though everybody feels the problem in our country, but nobody takes proper steps to remove it, we should realize that it spoils the peace in our normal life. But this problem is not out of solution. It can be solved if we try to best and our ability. Proper steps should be taken to solve it. A government or a man cannot solve composition name by himself, so we should all work hard together to solve this problem. It is not only our national problem, but also a worldwide problem. We can easily realize about the effect of it. We hope we will be able to overcome composition name in the days to come. Every conscious citizen of the country should help the government to solve this problem. The problem should be solved as soon as possible to build up our dear motherland.